I seriously think I'm part of a gang or something, like. Hey guys, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new and haven't seen my face before, hey, I'm Michaela, what's up, welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell button. It's free and you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Today's video is going to be all about Instagram. It's going to be how to get more likes on Instagram. I know, crazy concept. Instagram is like taking over the freaking world. Follow me on Instagram. It'll be up here. Instagram is my favorite app. But yeah, follow me on there. Love posting pictures. You'll stay updated with like my everyday life. Also follow me on Twitter, it'll be over here. I post updates on there, video request, poll type things. It's a good time. Follow me on it. I guess that's really it for the intro. Let's just hop right into today's video and I hope you guys enjoy it. So the first tip that I have for you guys is to plan out your Instagram feed. Now, I don't know if this is gonna get you more likes, but it's gonna keep your Instagram very organized, and I use an app called Unum. I know there's a bunch of other apps out there like Unum, but that's the one that I personally use. I love it. I can see my Instagram feed. I can see like the photos that I want to post, see if they look good beside each other. I can rearrange them, everything of the sort. It is amazing. Also, with planning out your feed, make sure you have like a set filter or preset that you tend to use quite often, or for all of your photos. I personally use ViscoCam. I use that for my filters. I use A5 on there if you're wondering. Recently, a lot of YouTubers and bloggers are coming out with presets, which is basically their own filter that you can use on Adobe Lightroom. Personally, I like to go on and look at somebody's Instagram and have it all be cohesive, all the photos like go together, they all look the same. I don't like going onto somebody's Instagram and seeing them all like different. So yeah, definitely plan out your feed. That's like a huge tip. My second tip for you guys is to avoid filler photos. Now, kind of being a hypocrite here because I do post filler photos and they don't get a lot of likes. I've realized that and I should probably stop posting them, but sometimes I just have nothing to post. So avoid posting pictures that don't have you in it. I feel like if you post more pictures of yourself, more people will come across your page, more people will be engaged, and you'll get a bigger audience, more people will follow you, more likes will come on your photos, you know. And I feel like they're overused, the filler photos are. Yeah, so that's another tip, is to avoid posting those. My third tip for you guys is to switch up your backgrounds and don't take your photos in the same location. I love getting different backgrounds for my photos. This kind of gives my followers and the people that come to my page an insight on like kind of what I do on like a daily basis, I guess. If I had a background of like my backyard fence, but then like a couple days later I was in like Ottawa, they also get a sense that, oh, this girl actually goes places and finds new locations for her photos and doesn't just stay in one place all the time. I like finding like cute wall murals. I just recently posted one in Ottawa and it's this cute like cherry blossom tree. So adorable. I actually found it on Pinterest and then found out where it was, and then I went there with my friend and it was a great time. So just find different locations because it's super boring to just post the same background for every photo. People will get tired of seeing that and they will probably unfollow you and probably not like your photos because it's the same thing over and over and over. My fourth tip for you guys is to tag accounts, tag your location, and to use hashtags. I know it sounds pretty old school, and to be honest, I used to hate using hashtags. I just felt like it made my captions look really ridiculous and just not clean, if you know what I mean. But honestly, hashtags do help, because if you're using a popular hashtag, or even if it's not a super popular hashtag, if it's kind of a smaller one, more people will be attracted to it and they'll see it if they ever look at that hashtag, and who knows, they might come to your page, like your photos, you might even get a follow from them. I use hashtags for about every caption on every Instagram photo now, and I've gained like, I wouldn't say that I'm like Insta famous, but I do have a following on my Instagram, and I think it's actually from using hashtags because I never used to use them and I never like grew on Instagram. And when I started using hashtags again, I just like gained all these likes and gained all these followers. Also, another thing is like tagging accounts. So let's say if you're posting a fashion photo or like a photo of your outfit of the day, I always tag where my outfit is from. Those accounts will get the notification that you tagged them in a photo. Who knows, they'll look at it, maybe they'll like it, maybe they'll comment on it. That really helps to get likes on your photos. My final tip for you guys is to just don't even care about the Instagram likes. There is so much more to life than getting likes on your Instagram photo. I know that there are people out there that may have a fashion account or like a beauty type of Instagram page or even like a travel page that really want to grow their account and just gain a following. So these are just a few of my tips that I wanted to share with you guys. I bet there's way more tips out there. Probably other YouTubers have made videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. They're going to be on the screen and in the description box down below. So go follow me. Let's be friends. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You be my fire.